What if I told you that you don't need to spend a single dollar on ads to make affiliate commissions in 2026? No followers.no website required to get started.no expensive tools. Today I'll show you how people are using Claude AI and Pinterest together to generate free traffic that can turn into affiliate sales. Watch until the end, because I'll also show you a beginner workflow that you can start today. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we talk about AI tools, affiliate marketing, and online income opportunities. Today's strategy combines two powerful tools: Claude AI for content creation, Pinterest for free search traffic. Pinterest isn't just a social media app, it's a visual search engine where pins can continue bringing visitors for months. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. Before creating any content, choose one niche. Some of the best niches include AI tools, make money online, personal finance, health and fitness, home decor, travel, beauty, digital products. Don't try to promote everything. Focus on one topic and become consistent. Step 2. Join affiliate programs. Next, sign up for affiliate programs. Examples include Amazon Associates, Impact, PartnerStack, Digistore24, ClickBank. Software affiliate programs. Always read each program's rules. Some allow direct Pinterest links, while others require sending visitors to a blog or landing page first. Choose products that solve real problems. Step 3. Use Claude AI to create content. Now open Claude AI. Ask Claude to create Pinterest titles, SEO descriptions, keyword ideas, pin text, blog outlines, product comparisons, call to actions. Example prompt: write 20 Pinterest titles about the best AI tools for beginners. Make them SEO friendly and curiosity driven. Within seconds, Claude generates dozens of ideas. This saves hours every week. Step 4. Create eye-catching pins. Use Canva to design your pins. A good Pinterest pin includes big headline, bright colors, clear image, easy to read fonts, curiosity. Examples: 10 AI tools that save 5 hours every day. Best affiliate programs that actually pay. Free AI websites you should use. Create multiple versions of every pin. Different designs help you reach more people. Step 5. Keyword research. Pinterest is a search engine. That means keywords matter. Search your topic inside Pinterest. Notice auto suggestions, popular searches, related keywords. Then ask Claude AI to organize those keywords naturally into titles and descriptions. Now every pin becomes optimized for Pinterest SEO. Step 6. Publish consistently. Upload new pins every day. Even 5 to 10 pins daily can make a difference over time. Remember, Pinterest rewards consistency. Many successful creators upload hundreds of pins every month. Each pin becomes another chance to get discovered. Step 7. Drive affiliate traffic. Your pin leads people to a blog article, a landing page, a product review, or, if allowed by the affiliate program, directly to the affiliate offer. The visitor clicks. They trust your content. If they purchase, you earn a commission. That's the basic affiliate marketing process. Step 8. Scale with Claude AI. Instead of making one pin, create 20. Instead of writing one description, generate 50. Instead of researching keywords manually, let Claude AI organize everything. The more quality content you publish, the more opportunities you have to receive free traffic. Beginner weekly plan. Monday. Research keywords. Tuesday. Generate titles with Claude AI. Wednesday. Design 20 Pinterest pins. Thursday. Write descriptions. Friday. Schedule pins. Saturday. Check analytics. Sunday. Improve your best performing designs. Repeat every week. Common mistakes. Avoid these mistakes. Posting low-quality images. Ignoring Pinterest keywords. Promoting random products. Giving up after 1 week. Copying other creators. Success comes from consistency and testing. Claude AI helps you create content faster. Pinterest helps people discover that content through search. Together, they can become a powerful way to build long-term free traffic for affiliate marketing. Results aren't guaranteed, and most people won't earn money overnight. Treat this like a business, create useful content. Follow affiliate program policies. And keep improving based on what performs well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe my YouTube channel Global Income Hub, and turn on notifications for more AI and online income content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.